To make our zucchini pizza, I have 3 cups of zucchini in here. And all we're gonna do is sprinkle about a teaspoon of salt in this, mix it up real well with our hands, and then let that sit for a half an hour. The zucchini has been squeezed and all the moisture has been taken out of it. So to this, we are going to be adding 2 cups of cheese. I'm using shredded Parmesan. You could use mozzarella as well, but 2 cups of cheese, 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of flour. The recipe calls for coconut flour, but I'm using all-purpose because I don't have coconut flour. So if you wanted to make it gluten-free, you could always just do coconut flour. And then a teaspoon of either granulated garlic or garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon each of basil and oregano. Go ahead and get in with your hands and get this all mixed up really well. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and using a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, I usually use like an olive oil spray on this before I go ahead and dump my zucchini mixture onto it. Press this out until it is pretty thin. This will go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes before we go and put any of our toppings on. So you want it to be a nice golden brown in color when you pull it out of the oven. The timer on our oven just went off, and this is what our pizza looks like right now, and it looks delicious. So we're gonna go a little non-traditional today because I have rotisserie chicken to use up. So I have roasted garlic, Parmesan, Alfredo sauce. So we're gonna use this, the rotisserie chicken, and then sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Decrease the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Once you have it all topped in, put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes, and then you guys, it'll be done. This is what our pizza looks like, and I'm gonna let it sit for just a minute before I go and cut into it. But you guys, I mean, it lifts up, it holds together. It looks great.